So for the potato filling, we have taken around 2 to 3 potatoes boiled. Haven't added any salt or anything, just normally boiled it. Let it cool, and all you need is some brown bread or white bread or any milk bread of your choice. Some onions chopped finely, green chilies chopped, coriander leaves chopped, some salt for taste, olives, this is optional, some shredded cheese, some capsicum, green or yellow, it's your choice, around half cup, and then butter, unsalted would be great. Some herbs mix, around 1 teaspoon, chaat masala 1 tablespoon, haldi, that is turmeric, around 1 tablespoon, and some cumin seeds, jeera, some cheese, dried cheese, and some amchur powder, around 1 tablespoon. The amchur powder, you can add in some pepper powder as well. So here's my sandwich maker, which is almost a decade old, working great. So you can have any sandwich maker of your choice, and don't have to be a branded one or anything. Normal, any sandwich maker would do the needful. First, you need to add the salt and give it a good mix. Remaining all the spices can be added later. Thanks for watching my channel Dimples and Arabian Journey. If you enjoy watching my videos, do subscribe and hit the bell icon. Also do connect us on Facebook by the name Flour and Aroma. Thank you so much.